We'll guide you through how to fix sound missing on iPhone screen recordings. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So you want to go and record your iPhone screen and also go and capture your voice and your iPhone's microphone. We're covering that in this video. So this is likely happening because there's a key setting you have not gone and turned on. So to go and do this, you need to go and open up your control center by dragging down on the top right of your phone like so. Now, if you just go and tap on the screen recording button, it'll go and start recording, probably without your voice and your iPhone microphone, which is why the sound is missing. So what you need to do is go and click and hold on it. And at the bottom, you'll see the option for microphone. So all you need to do is tap there and it's now on and enabled. Make sure you've selected photos and you can then go and tap on start recording like so, and that's it. Your phone screen will now be recorded with your voice. It's that simple. When you're ready, of course, you can go and end it like so, and that's it. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more.